Okay, folks, what we have here is a 1953 Ford Customline. It says V8. The guy in the shop told me it was the inline 8. I don't believe Ford made an inline V8. I think this is a V8, probably a flathead V8. Man, this car has been restored. It is beautiful. I don't want to open up this one. Yeah, flatheads forever on the dash. There's a little decal. If you guys can see that. Flathead V8. Gotta be careful walking back through here. It's got skirts on it. Big wide white walls. Clean looking paint job on this car. Got the Lincoln kit. Little spare tire deal. It's got it's up to date on its license. So they're driving this beauty. Look at this tail light. Tail light needs to be coloring's going on it. I'm sure you can buy those aftermarket. The chrome's going on it. Compare it to this one. That's what it is. And the chrome is starting to wear out on this one. So yeah, it needs to have tail light replaced. I'm pretty sure you can buy those fairly reasonable. Yeah, because I'm not going to open this car. It's don't have permission to do that, so we're just going to have to look at it on the outside. Got a beautiful grill in it. 53 Ford. That old bullet nose, and must have some Studebaker inspiration in them. Beautiful car. Love the way they did the parking lights. Oh, the two-tone on the little bumperette. What do you call this? The bumper filler. Kind of a light silver, almost an argent. It's a nicely done car, it really is. And the Ford crest. All right, folks, hope you enjoyed that. I'm gonna move on to the next car here. We got a few here we're gonna video. Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. Hit that like button, and folks, share these videos and hit that bell, little bell up there at the top. On my device, it's up on the top right, and it's shaped just like a bell. You hit that. What that does, that notifies you of any new videos I put out. Keeps you up to date on that. And if you hit that like button, that helps the video get seen more. And the more we can expose these cars, these beautiful cars, the better. I don't have permission to do the pickup truck. I'm sorry, guys. I'm working on it. All right, folks. I'll be back with you on the next one.